Welcome to High Caliber Carpentry again, guys. Here we're in a bathroom where we will spend the next 37 working hours on tearing out this floor, shoe molding, taking off the toilet. You can see right there where it's just rotten. The gone.
Every time I would be,
They're making fun of some Marines.
see like a Marine, like where I had to greet somebody high ranking, like a staff sergeant or somebody, like more staff sergeant. They just make some. That's just some random noise.
That's not supposed to be like that. That's just how rotten this stuff is. It was bad. That's the original subfloor to the house. It's made of oak. Really great stuff until it rots. Ethan under there, we're about to put in the framing underneath the wall. And here we discovered there was 2 sheets of plywood above the original subfloor. So we had to match that to fit the door back in. And here I show you from a more profiled view of the original subfloor, the new subfloor we put in, the layer on top of it, and the layer on top of it. Now we're about halfway done. At the LVP in there with the underlayments, the shiny stuff. And then this is right as we finish up the project. We're right behind the toilet now. That's the toilet supply line. And that's to the right of the toilet. And I just filled in the gaps with that insulation because I could see some bugs getting up through the cracks. So we filled those in. Here's the big reveal. Got some tight corners on that shoe molding. Had to put a piece of wood against the wall right there, the little paneling, so to cover up the rotten pieces of the wall that fell apart when we were demoing stuff. A great looking hookup for the water there. Beautiful corner. That little door casing up under there gave me a fit, but we got it together. Replaced the little toe kick under the cabinet vanity. That turned out great. Put some caulking just along the edges closest to the tub because that left wall was starting to rot. That right wall was too, so that was supposed to keep it out of the way. Caulking is supposed to keep the water out of there, so it came out to be a good project.